Hey, this is Brian from TopSecretWealthPlan.com. Listen, I wanted to make a video for a person who signed up last week with my program. Her name is Vivian out of South Carolina. Very nice lady. I spoke with her on the phone for a few minutes and she was excited about joining this program and making some serious money. And I'm going to show you guys how to make $140 per sale over and over and over again. Now, again, when I say sell, I'm not asking you to sell anything. You see, we have an automated marketing system that does that for you. Basically, it does all talking, explaining, and selling for you. You will send your prospects to a 19-minute long video. They will watch that video a couple of times. They get excited, and it will instruct them to give me a call. I'm Brian. I'm the owner of the program. Okay. Once they call me, I'll ask them for their PIN number. They'll say it's WP319, which belongs to Vivian for this video. I'll answer their questions. All right. And if they want to sign up, then I will give them Vivian's information. If she wants to get her money through PayPal or Cash App or through the mail, however she wants to receive it, then that's how you're going to do it. It's a very simple program, guys. We've been doing this for about 4 years now, and it's been extremely successful. And I just wanted to make this video because if you are interested in joining this program, please, please, please give me a call, watch the video at topsecretwealthplan.com and call me and say, hey, I want to sign up under WP319. This is for Vivian out of South Carolina. Just let me know that, and I will go ahead and get you going. Again, this is a great program. I mean, it's a one-time 150, okay? And for that, you're going to get paid $140. All you have to do is take a postcard, which you'll get availability to. We have all type of leads. There's a variety of ways you can advertise this. Put a stamp on a postcard that we have available for you. Drop it in the mail. People look at that postcard. They go watch the video. Boom, boom, boom. And before you know it, you are receiving $140 to your doorstep, or through Cash App or PayPal or Zelle, or whatever, however you want to receive your money. So this is a good program, guys. Again, this video is for Vivian. Her PIN number is WP319. Please, please, please go watch the video right now and give me a call, and we can get you started right now. Thanks very much. Bye.